can use your imagination. You better use your imagination.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Dolly Roman. Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be starting a new segment which is going to be called Dining with Dolly. So today I will be making chicken Alfredo with sun-dried tomato sauce, and these are what the ingredients that you will need. And also I will show you guys what I'll be seasoning my chicken with. So basically when I do this, most of the time I grill the chicken on a stove, but for some reason today I didn't feel like doing it. So this is the chicken in the pan, of course, you know, to clean your chicken, and this is what I'll be seasoning my chicken with, a number of different seasonings, and I'll be baking it instead. This is what the chicken looks like, all seasoned and prepared and ready to go in the oven. So I will be setting the oven to 350 degrees, and I will also be starting a hour and 30-minute timer for the chicken. So in the meantime, I'll be cooking the noodles, which I already put like cooking oil in there, water, something you can use butter or olive oil, and I'll also be putting the Alfredo sauce into a separate pan and cooking that. So I will tell you guys why I had to end up using the other sauce with the sun-dried tomato sauce in just a bit. Also, I just want to note in this video, this is not an original creation of my own. I learned how to make this because this was a recipe at the Cheesecake Factory that I really loved, and they discontinued it off the menu, or at least they don't have it here in Jersey anymore. So I learned how to make this on my own. I added an extra white sauce into the original sauce is because I really like a lot of sauce on my pasta, and the last couple times I made this, I just felt like it wasn't enough sauce. So I definitely recommend the 3 cans of sauce. This is what the chicken looks like after baking for an hour and 30 minutes. Another reason why I've been holding off on doing this series is because my kitchen is so small, guys. So also make sure you cook your chicken thoroughly through. You want to make sure your chicken is completely white on the inside, or at least all the way cooked, no pink parts. So basically I'm just basically just going through me chopping up the chicken. So I chop up the chicken, and then I put it in a separate container, and then I put everything together. So I put the noodles, the sauce, and the chicken all together in one dish. This is what the pasta looks like before I add the sauce in, or I might have added the sauce in, guys. I don't remember. I think I did add some of the sauce in, but I stopped to show you guys. And this just is what it looks like. It's just definitely a remix if you want to spice up your regular chicken Alfredo. I freaking love this stuff. I was pissed when the Cheesecake Factory took this off their menu. So I'm happy I learned how to make this on my own. You can also add actual sun-dried tomatoes in here if you want to. That's how they make it at the Cheesecake Factory. I just like it with the sauce. I don't have to have the tomatoes because sun-dried tomatoes can actually be pretty hard to cook. It's like it's a very distinct way to learn how to make them. I hope you guys enjoyed this first episode of Dining with Dolly. There will be more to come. Hopefully next time I film this at my grandmother's house because her kitchen is way bigger than mine. Or hopefully we'll be moved, or I'll be moved somewhere, and I can film better videos for you guys. Thank you guys for always watching. Love you guys so much. Comment, rate, and subscribe.
You can use your imagination. Imagine